Welcome back to another video, guys. We are just back at it. Probably not going to be a full video of working on stuff or whatever, but maybe a little update. As you can see there, my painter just left and the last missing piece to the puzzle is here. The hood is back, and man, did it ever turn out nice. Like, so there it is. You still got to bring the fenders by. He didn't have room in his truck there. His huck gun actually quit working, but he got a lot of these, and I think it's probably because these are stainless and it's really hard on those huck guns, but you can see he got them in here. And then it ate the biscuit. So gotta track down another one of those. I know a guy who's got one. I'm pretty sure we can use it, no issues there. So we'll get that done. Basically just have to put the center pieces on, the side pieces on. Not decided on a grill yet. I've been talking with a guy. I think he's from Manitoba. Decent guy, makes a bunch of parts, sells, you know, side panels. He's been making grills, a few light step covers, or the fender steps covers, light panels for in your interior. So trying to figure out with him what style grill I want. Let me know what you guys think. He does, you know, obviously stainless grills, so punched grills. You can do ovals, you can do circles. He's got one that's diamonds, 3 diamonds that I was kind of interested in. So let me know what you guys think about that. That's probably the last piece, the grill itself, that I haven't bought yet. So yeah, we'll get that stuff back probably tomorrow, maybe in the next couple of days. He still has to paint a few things, but the bulk of it's here. And when the motor's in, you know, the hood will be ready to go back on. So that's pretty cool. Did a really nice job. So very happy with the work that the painter has done so far. Can't really complain. Really nice shine. It just started to rain, so there's a few raindrops on there, but that paint is beautiful. And shout out to Todd too. He's gone this week, but shout out to Todd on the nice polish job on the grill surround. This is actually a grill surround I bought from one of the neighbors down the road. Cool guy, really nice truck. It's a 95, and you wouldn't know it. The thing looks brand freaking new. So he took that off to put a new one on. Bought it from him. We polished her up. She's looking beautiful. But just admiring the paint here. Really nice. Should look really good on the back of old elbow grease here. Had a few of you guys calling her elbow grease in the comments, so I think she's gonna stick. We'll call her elbow grease. We still need a name for the channel. You know, right now it's G Blondie, but you know, I don't know, Elbow Grease Garage, Elbow Grease Official, Blondie Farms and Truckin', whatever. I don't know. You guys have any cool ideas? Let me know. I'm open to interesting ideas. So just another shot of the truck. Hopefully this week, you know, we got a few things going on this week. We're trying to get the sheds cleaned out. Got an event going on, so it'd be nice to get this truck out of here. And actually that spare parts frame, be nice to get over here, throw the cab on it, throw the bunk on it, get it rolling around, then we can get it towed out of here too, or maybe sell it or whatever. But there she is, guys, looking snazzy. And you know, once we get the hood on, game changer. So let me know what you think on the grill. Round holes, ovals, diamonds, a louvered grill, we could do that too. I think the louvered grills look really good on a flat top. I'm not sure about the stand-up sleeper, so let me know. Just take that in, like look at the clarity in that paint. That's pretty good. Pretty good. So anyways, just a little update on the paint, and we'll get back to doing what we're doing this week. So another hot one today. We're out in the shop. Dad's on the forklift. We're just trying to get things cleaned up in here. It's been a long few months with this project. Obviously we're not done yet, but we're just getting rid of some of the clutter. We got a party this weekend, so the cab is going away for now. We got it loaded on the back of the dually here, and Got her strapped down, I guess you could say. Just a strap through the cab. We don't have far to go, just about a concession over. So we'll get her over there, and then hopefully we have time to pull it off with the loader tractor and then set it back down on that frame from the parts truck that's sitting there. And this will be the new parts truck, so still some good parts on here, but got to get it out of our way. There goes Dad in the tractor. Bunk's on there, not going nowhere. Famous last words. So we're doing this all in reverse today. You've seen me take this cab off and put it on so many times, but this should be the last time anyways for this cab, and hopefully the other cab too. I don't want to do another one of these projects or have to take the cab back off, so. And that's where she's going. And there you have it. Got her sitting back on the other frame here. So I had a set of cab mounts laying around. I wasn't sure what kind of truck they went for. They weren't as nice as some of the ones you buy now, but they were brand new. So grab those, threw them on there, so it's actually sitting on a loosely bolted on the set of cab mounts. And tomorrow we'll be back, grab the bunk, bolt her up there, and then maybe put the boot ring in so she's not leaking. And yeah, there we go. Back on its wheels. Just nice to get it out of the shop. Now we can hook up the steering arm there, or the steering shaft, and move it around the yard if we have to, and get it out of the grass here. So cool. Recording this on the fly. We got halfway to start putting this stack up, and then I forgot we weren't recording. So I'll set you up, and we're putting the stacks on. So we're just going to lift it up, put the clamps on, and drop a bolt in. Ready? That was easy to get 2 bolts. Where's our button? That was easy. That looks awesome. Absolutely awesome. That was really easy. That shouldn't have gotten that easy. I feel bad for Mark on Twin Sticks trying to do this by himself. And I guess the other plus is that these stacks are already put together, so the clamps were there. We knew they would drop right where they're supposed to, so we didn't have to do anything fiddling. Wow, can't even get them all in the same frame. So those are 8-inch miter cut stacks. Mentioned it in a previous video, but they were actually in a fire. It was sad because Buddy's truck that burnt down was a really nice truck. It was a 98, I think. But we were able to save them. The only thing that we really couldn't get out is he had a set of shields on here, heat shields, and where the clamps were. I guess we could always put another set on if we don't like it down the road. They're shiny enough now you don't really notice it. And what are we building here, Dad?
Pickup.
Well, what kind of truck is this?
The black one.
No, what's it used for?
Corn.
we're building a farm truck, so it doesn't really matter. It's not a show truck.
It's a corn truck.
It's a corn truck, so that looks awesome. Todd's gonna be disappointed he wasn't here to see this. He's gone fishing this week. This one's for you, buddy.
You know what I always say? If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, on to stack number 2. See if we can manhandle this thing over there. You want me to go in first?
No, this one's the best.
So what we've been doing, we just set it down here on this towel. Like that. And we just gotta make sure we don't smash it off everything. Stand her up. Okay. Then we're gonna 3, 2, 1 and grab a bolt. I can't. Snipe a couple bolts in. Back up a bit. Nope. Nope.
Hold this so you wiggle it
I
out.
can't, all the weight's on it.
Alright, I'll go up.
There. Just like that. And then you can see down in here, it's kind of crooked, so they're on slots. You can just kind of slide it around where you want. You see the slot on there? The slot's here, so then we'll just get some nuts, and that way we can play with it and move it in and out, or make sure they're square with the cab and straight up and down. So that's what they look like. Kind of looking like a truck, but looks way better with them stacks on. Look at that. Be rolling in no time. So we got her moved around here. Took 3 of us. We kind of just rolled it around by hand, but got her close to the door now. We'll hook on it with the pickup and we'll pull her out of here and get her out of this shop for now. So pretty cool. She's almost a truck. Get a little snug and then I'll jump in. See what this Toyota can do. First voyage. So now she's in her new resting place for a few days. Not as glamorous as the other building, but it'll do, nice and dry. So. And with that, I think that's all I have for you guys for this week, but I appreciate you stopping by to watch, checking out the new updates, watching us put these big 8-inch stacks on here. And thanks for liking, subscribing, all the good stuff, all the cool comments. Keep it up in the comment section, and we'll catch you on the next one.
If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.